Hello everyone! Today I just wanted to show you a quick and effective way to pull up dandelions, whether you want an effective way of getting rid of the dandelions without using chemicals or weed killers, or if you're like me and want to harvest the roots, or both. I'm starting off by just gathering the leaves, actually, since these are also edible. They taste a bit like arugula and are really good on salads or sandwiches, or as a pizza topping. Disclaimer real quick, if you're going to gather roots to eat, I recommend making sure you're harvesting the dandelions in a place where you know there's no weed killer or insecticides or pesticides, or any real chemical lawn treatments of any kind are used, so don't harvest from places like public parks. So next I am going to be digging sort of a trough around the base of the root. And I am going to be doing this so that I can get my hand around the base of the root and pull it straight up. You don't have to make this trough super deep or anything. It just has to be deep enough so that you can get a nice grip with your hand on the root. Another note about dandelions is that they've sort of evolved to be flatter in areas that experience a lot of mowing. So the best place to really find them is where they aren't going to really have been like altered or tampered with, so anywhere wild. So I'm continuing to dig the hole and testing it with my hand to see if I can grab it. So I'm going to grab it and I'm going to pull it straight up off the ground. Don't twist it at all, just pull straight up. If you twist it, you might twist the base of the root right off and you won't get a good pull. Here I go. Boop, came right out. So yeah, that's essentially it. Takes a tiny bit of practice and every root's different. The bigger the dandelion plant, obviously the bigger the root you're gonna get. I definitely recommend getting, dandelions in a place where you can be absolutely sure that they're not gonna be chemically treated again. And I just twisted off the top part and yeah, can use that root. Last but not least, make sure you fill in the hole, just so, nobody or nothing steps in it, and so that the undergrowth can grow back. And I'm sticking in the top of the base of the root so that the dandelion plant can actually grow back. But obviously if you want to get rid of your dandelions, you don't have to do that. And here are the dandelion roots that I've gathered today. Obviously I had a couple that were not so great, but I had a couple of really good pulls today. But yeah, I recommend thoroughly washing them and roasting them before you do anything with them, but they're great for salads, or you can make them into like a really potent tea. But yeah, that's all I have. Thanks for watching everyone, and I hope this was helpful. Bye!